Today we will show you how to export your video from Adobe Premiere Pro. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to your Adobe and this is your project. Okay guys, this is your project. Just now go to this is here of file. Okay, click and go to export like this. Okay, export, go to media like this and click, and now go to this and go to H264. Okay, just click like this, and here you can choose your quality, what you have. If you want the height bitrate or like height quality like 1080, you can click like this. Okay, no problem. Just now we'll do like this here, and here you can choose your location like this and change your location what you want. Okay, just I want to be in my location. Okay, if you want to be estimate file size, just go to video and put this is then under. Okay, will be lost. Okay, but you will be lost a quality. Okay guys, just for okay, now go to export like this and click, and you will now find this picture. Wait, this is the name. It's a black video 14. Just now click to here. Okay, it's now success. Just now go here and go to my project here, like document, Adobe Premiere 2 and the black. This is my video. Okay guys, this is my video here. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.